Hey, how you doing? Just wanted to show you your new Gibson ES335. Here she is. Here is the wonderful case it comes in as well. And yeah, just wanted to, want to give you a better look at her. Again, excellent condition with a few minor cosmetic signs of use. Couple of indentations on the neck, some bubbling on the edge of the headstock. But this thing is looking really good. It's really hard to pick it up on camera. I guess you can kind of see right there. But on the headstock, I want to show you that. But again, this thing, the camera can barely pick it up. So, but yeah, she is looking good. So again, she's in the case along with the candy as well. So, as promised. So, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and detune the strings, loosen the tension, and protect the headstock a little more just so it is safe in shipping. And we'll go from there. All right, so here she is, nice and packed and good to go. Gonna go and put her in this case and make her nice and secure and
That's
safe.
a brand new box right there. No marks, never been used, no blemishes. Just so UPS takes very good care of her.
Yes. All right. And there you have it. She is nice and tucked in there, good to go. Everything. She is really packed nicely. We definitely made sure that she is snug as she gets shipped. So thank you so much again for your purchase. Again, we just love to put good instruments in the hands of good people, that the world would be filled with good music. Hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching.